Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fikri Noval Maulana, and introduce my friend Rizky Maulana. I will present with the material title Reduced Instruction Set Architecture or RISA.
Definition RISA, a processor architecture designed based on the principle of reduced instruction set computing, with its main characteristic being a simplified instruction, efficient, and easily implementable instruction set. In other words, this architecture is realized constantly in the hardware design of the processor. If we were to use an analogy, RISC is like the concept of designing an energy efficient car, while RISA is like a specific car design beside on that energy efficient principle. Next. Main characteristic of reduced instruction set architecture. Number one, simple and efficient instruction. Each instruction is designed to be executed in on or a few clock cycle. Instructions are simple, such as data transfer, basic arithmetic operation, and program flow control. Number two, dominant use of register. Operations are performed more often on register than directly to memory, which is slower. Many registers are available to store temporary data. Number three, optimal pipeline. The simplicity and consistency of instruction makes pipelines a technique way for processing multiple instructions in parallel, easier to implement and more efficient. Advantage of reduced instruction set architecture or RISA. Number one, high speed. Simple instruction enable fast execution, often within a single clock cycle. Two, the second, energy efficiency, ideal for low power devices such as smartphones. Number three, simplicity in hardware design. Simpler hardware design reduce production costs. Number four, scalability, easy to adapt to larger or smaller system. Disadvantage of reduced instruction set architecture, RISA. Longer code. Due to simple instruction, more instructions are sometimes required to complete complex text. Dependence on compiler. The compiler must be highly intelligent to generate optimal codes. Example of processor with RISA architecture. ARM, used in most mobile devices. MIPS, commonly used in embedded system. RISC-V, a growing open source architecture. PowerPC, used in computers and specialized hardware. Introduction to ARM on smartphone. ARM, Advanced RISC Machine, is a RISC architecture that has been widely used in mobile devices. ARM has an open license and great flexibility, making it popular in various industries. ARM architecture and its characteristics. Core processor. ARM consists of processor cores that are responsible for executing instruction. Memory management unit. ARM has a memory management unit that manage access to main memory. Instruction set. ARM use an instruction set optimized for mobile device. ARM v1 to ARM v9 to continuous evolution. ARM v1, the first version of ARM developed by Acorn Computers as part of the Acorn Archimedes computer, focused on a simple RISC architecture for high performance and low power consumption. ARM v2 improved design used in the ARM2 processor, known for its speed and power efficiency. ARM became a preferred choice for embedded devices and small computers. ARM v3 feature in the ARM6 processor introducing full 32-bit port. ARM started gaining global attention in the mobile market. ARM v4 introduced the thumb instruction set, allowing compact code with 16-bit instruction. Used in processors like ARM7 TDMA, popular in early mobile phones and embedded systems. ARM v5 added enhanced DSP digital signal processing for audio and video processing. Feature in processor like ARM9, supporting mobile and multimedia device. ARM v6 improved performance with SIMD single instruction multiple data support for graphic processing. Used in processor like ARM10, ARM11, which powered the first iPhone. ARM v7 introduced the Cortex-A, Cortex-E, and Cortex-M architecture for mobile, real-time, and microcontroller devices. It did multi-core support and improved power efficiency. ARM v8, ARM's first 64-bit architecture with backward compatibility for 32-bit systems. Apple 7 brought ARM v8 to mobile device. ARM v9 focused on AI security and high performance for efficient data processing and high security with the confidential computer architecture. Feature in modern processor like Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and MediaTek Dimensity.
ARM v9 in mobile smartphones. Detail overview. ARM v9K focus area. ARM v9 introduced in is the latest ARM architecture designed to meet the needs of modern devices, including smartphones. Its improvements focus on the three main areas. 1. High performance, enhancing CPU performance and data processing. 2. Security, strengthening data protection with advanced security features. 3. AI and machine learning, optimizing for real-time AI application and data processing. Okay, technology in ARM v9. SVA2 Scalable Vector Extension 2. This technology enables more efficient vector-based data processing, ideal for AI, machine learning, and multimedia processing like photos, video, and gaming in smartphone. Confidential Computer Architecture, or CCA. The feature is essential for banking, digital payments, and user data protection in smartphones. Multi-core performance. ARM v9 support more efficient multi-core design, combining head performance, core, and power efficiency cores, such as in the Big Little architecture. ARM v9 in modern smartphones. ARM v9 is used in the latest processor powering flagship smartphones. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 use Cortex X2, Cortex 710, and Cortex 510 cores based on ARM v9. Found in smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S22 and Xiaomi. MediaTek Dimensity 9000, the first flagship processor from MediaTek adopting ARM v9, focused on gaming, AI, and multimedia with SVA2 support and for NM technology. Benefits of ARM v9 for smartphone user. Peak performance unlock the ability run heavy application like gaming, 4K or 8K video editing, and intensive multitasking. Or efficiency, reduce battery consumption, allowing smartphone to last longer. 3. Better AI experience, optimize AI for features like smartphone cameras, facial recognition, virtual assistants, and apps performance enhancement. 3. Enhanced security. Protect user data with CCI technology, ideal for online transaction and sensitive application. Case study, a virtual keyboard in the context of reduced instruction set architecture or RISA works by utilizing a simple of efficient architecture to process user input through software. Here's an explanation of how a virtual keyboard operator with the RISA approach. 1. Input reception. When the user touch or click a key on the virtual keyboard, the operating system detects the touch coordinate or click using hardware as a touchscreen or mouse. Device drive convert the touch coordinate coordinate into digital signal that can be approached by the processor. In RISA, simple instructions like load and store are used to retrieve data for the input device and store it in registers. 2. Key identification process. The processor processes the touch coordinate to determine which key was pressed, mapping coordinate to character. The system matches the coordinate with the position of the key in the virtual keyboard layout key map. In RISA, this process is broken down into several simple instructions. Load, fetch the coordinate data from the register. Compare. Compare the coordinate with the key boundaries defined in the table. Branch. Direct execution based on the comparison result to determine the pressed key. 3. Input data processing. Once the key is identified, the processor process the input data. If the press key responds to a letter or number, the character is rectified for the ASCII table. If the key is a command, a shift or enter, the system determines to corresponding action. In RISA, simple instructions like add, should, or branch are used to process the input logic. The processed data is stored in a register for future handling. For displaying the input result, the character generated by the press key is displayed on the screen, usually in the active text area. The system uses a frame buffer to display the character at the specific position on the screening. In RISA, instructions like store are used to send the character data from the register to the screen memory. Display control use simple instructions that interact directly with the graphic hardware. Thank you for watching this my video.